Crude oil prices are skyrocketing across the globe, reaching new highs. But in India, petrol and LPG prices haven't increased for weeks. So what's really going on? Is this genuine relief from the government, or a temporary pause because of ongoing state elections? And more importantly, will prices rise right after elections end? Let's break it down. First, let's look at the global picture and understand the core issue driving crude prices up. Crude oil prices have been rising steadily on the global market, moving toward historic highs. Key factors include geopolitical tensions in major oil-producing regions and coordinated production cuts by major oil exporters. Adding to the pressure is increasing global demand as economies continue to recover worldwide. Normally, when crude oil becomes expensive, fuel prices rise worldwide, but India seems to be an exception right now. Let's see why. In India, fuel prices are closely linked to these global crude oil rates, yet since March, petrol and LPG prices have remained largely unchanged. Possible reasons include government intervention to control inflation, oil marketing companies adjusting their margins, or possible tax adjustments and pricing freezes to maintain stability. Now comes the big question: is politics involved? Let's explore the strategic timing of this price stability. India is currently witnessing assembly elections. Historically, there have been instances where fuel prices remained stable during election period. Opposition parties argue this is a strategic move to avoid public backlash, while government supporters claim it reflects strong economic management despite global pressures. So what should consumers expect next? Will petrol and LPG prices increase right after the elections? Experts suggest that if crude oil prices stay high and oil companies begin facing losses, a price hike becomes almost inevitable. This means we could see a gradual increase in fuel prices in the coming weeks following the conclusion of the election period. So what's the ultimate truth? Is this real relief or just a delayed impact of global market forces? The answer likely lies somewhere in between. Fuel pricing is influenced by global markets, domestic policy decisions, and often political timing. For consumers, it's important to understand that stability today doesn't always guarantee stability tomorrow. What do you think? Will fuel prices rise after the elections? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analysis on Indian markets and politics.